Allah is our creator. He is the one who has created each and everything in this universe. Let's say if I say to you, let's create something, maybe some art piece. So we would need some basic materials to make it, like a paper, pen, colors, crayons, and then we would be able to make it. And similar goes to each and everything in this world. But Allah is the one who has created us and everything in this world out of nothing. He does not need any basic material to create anything. He just say be and it happens. And this is what he said in Quran, Surah Nahl, verse number 40. Whenever we intend to do something, we do no more than say to it, be, and it comes to be. So human beings are the makers and Allah is the only creator. And He has a beautiful name, Al-Khaliq, means the creator. Where is Allah? The answer to this question is Allah is everywhere. He's watching us 24/7. He don't take rest or sleep because He's not at all like us. And this is what He said in Quran in Surah Ikhlas, verse number 4. There is none equal to or like Him. So pointing Him on skies is wrong. Don't point His direction because He is everywhere. And He also has a beautiful name, Al-Basir, means the all-seeing. There is another question about Allah, that does He have any partners or family? We know that where there are two people, there is a difference of opinion. But everything in this world is working so perfectly ever since it came into being that it does not seem it is run by more than one God. See, sun always rise from east and set on west. Seasons changes on their time. Tree changes their leaves timely throughout the year. There is a perfect balance of oxygen so that everyone is breathing properly. Allah said in Quran, in Surah Ikhlas, verse number 1, say, Allah is one. And then in Surah Ikhlas, verse number 3, none is born of Him, and nor was He born. Allah is the first, Al-Awwal, and He is the last, Al-Akhir. He was there, He is there, and He will be there. Remember, the meaning of Islam is submit to Allah. And if Shaitan kept you thinking, who has created this or this or this, and then he say, who has created Allah? Then answer him, don't let me think unthinkable.